All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam has issued a press communique following an emergency presidential meeting convened on May 24. The association expressed serious concern over the prevailing law and order situation in the state, particularly abduction of 18 Liangmai Naga hostages by Kuki militants operating under suspension of Operation Sioux agreement from Lailon Vaifei village on May 13. Ansam has given Manipur government a 4-day ultimatum starting from May 29 to establish the condition and position of the 6 remaining hostages, including 2 pastors, and hand them over safely to the Naga people. The student body criticized the state government for its failure to take decisive action regarding the whereabouts of the hostages despite numerous representations, public demonstrations, and media briefings by Naga civil society organizations. Ansam also questioned sincerity of both central and state governments for appointing Nimchak Kipgen, spouse of KNFP militant group chairman, as Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. The association highlighted lack of action against Semtin Thang, alias Thangboy Kipgen, and Aron Kipgen, who are allegedly involved in abduction of Naga hostages. Among its major demands, Ansam called for immediate booking of perpetrators involved in the massacre of Naga civilians at TM Kasom and Jaujantek ambushes, abrogation of Sioux agreement with Kuki militants, and removal of Nimchak Kipgen from the post of Deputy Chief Minister. The association warned that failure to meet the demands within the stipulated period would compel Naga to collectively boycott the present government of Manipur and appeal to all Naga legislators to withdraw their support in the larger interest of Naga people and security of the state.